everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will analyze a cantilever beam. So we will add static structural project to this project schematic window by double clicking from the analysis system. So we will start the design modeler to create the geometry. You can see design modeler here. First of all, we have to select the units. So units should be in meter here. So I will create a cantilever beam of 1.2 meter. For that, I have to create 2 points. Okay, to create a point, click on create, click on point, and from the definition, select the manual input, and we will create a point at the origin and click on generate. Again, we have to create one more point at the other end of the beam, that is at 1.2 meter. So again, click on create point, and for definition, select the option manual input. Okay, and for x coordinate, I will put as 1.2 meter. So we have created two, and click on the option generate. So we have created 2 points here. So I will select the option to zoom. We have zoom to fit, zoom, box zoom, etc. So I use the option box zoom to create or to view the 2 points here. Okay, you can see the 2 points on the screen here. Now we have to create a line between these 2 points. To create the line, click on the option concept lines from the point and press Ctrl key in the keyboard and select these 2 points. Then click apply and click on the option generate. Now we have to define the section of the beam. To define the section of the beam, click on the option concept and cross section. Okay, and we have the option I section here. I select the option I section. Okay, as you can see in the screen, we have an I section here, and this is the default I section of the Ansys design modeler. So I will be keeping the same cross section for my analysis. And how do you assign this unit? Click on the line body on the tree outline and select the I section 1. Okay, so we have defined this I section here, and to view the I section, click on the option view cross section solid. Okay, so you can view the I section which we have defined for the analysis. Now we can close the design modeler. Then we can open Ansys Mechanical to perform the finite element modeling and the analysis. Double click on model to start Ansys Mechanical. Here we are going to apply the material, we are going to create the mesh, and we are going to create the boundary condition, and we are going to solve the problem. Okay, in the geometry, if you select the geometry, you can see a line body, and in the details of the line body, you can see an option of material. If you scroll down, we can see an option of material. Okay, so the default material is structural steel here. So I am assigning this material, and to create the mesh, right click on the mesh, generate mesh. So I will be keeping the default value here. In the next upcoming lectures, we will do further type of analysis. So you will be getting a lot of idea regarding materials, then types of mesh, etc. So you can see this is a default mesh generated by the Ansys. So I will keep as it is. So now I am going to apply the boundary condition. So in static structural, right click, insert, then we have the options for fixing the beam and applying the force. So in static structural, so I will be fixing one end. Make sure that you are selecting one vertex of the line, and again right click, insert, select the option force. Okay, select the other vertex of the line and click apply on geometry, and define by in the details of the force, it should be components. Okay, then you can see the triad here on the right hand bottom of the screen, and I am going to apply a force vertically downwards. So that will be -100, because in the triad I have a plus acting on the vertical upwards. Okay, positive is vertically upwards, negative is vertically downwards. Then solution, right click, insert, deformation, as well as from beam tool, select the option beam result, select the option shear force. Then you can in solution right click, solve. Then after some time you will be getting the result of the analysis. This is a total deformation of the particular beam, and the total deformation is found to be like that. How much value, you can scroll down and I can select, I can view the maximum value 1.72 into 10 power minus 4 meter. Thank you.